Hi, this is Michelle Steigerwald from RE/MAX One. I want to let you know that I'll be hosting a public open house at 21 Davenport Drive in West Windsor, New Jersey on Sunday, October 11th, 2020 from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. This 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath colonial-style home sits on approximately 0.78 acres and is listed for $718,000. If you have any questions or need to schedule a private viewing, feel free to call or text me at 908-812-8465. You could also email me at yournjproperty@gmail.com. I look forward to seeing you, and this is Michelle Steigerwald from RE/MAX One, guiding your dreams into reality.